This is the C major 7 chord. Hi, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today I'll teach you the C major 7 chord. Now the fingering for this is really simple if you know how to play the C major already, since all you need to do is take off your index finger, strum strings 1 through 5, and you have a C major 7. Strum the strings nice and slow to make sure you don't have any strings buzzing. And in case you do, just double check on your fingers, making sure that they're arched up so they're not laying down like this, and they're not touching any of the adjacent strings, and your fingertips should be up against the metal frets, like right there, not down here, all the way up here, as close to the metal frets as possible. Now let's practice the C major 7 a bit by using the chord on, chord off technique, as we always do. So form your C major 7, strum, take off your chord, and then put it back on. Chord off, chord on. Chord off, chord on. Chord off, chord on. And you'll notice that I started muting the low E string with my thumb right here. You could also mute it with the ring finger. Right here, the tip of your ring finger, just have it touch the low E string slightly right there. So chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on. And your aim with this is to take off your fingers and put them back into that exact chord shape, okay? And that's how you play the C major 7.